Okay, so the first lick, we'll start with the ring finger on the 2nd fret A string, and we're sliding to the 4th fret. Okay, so ring finger, 2nd A string, slide to the 4th A string, then pluck the 2nd fret D string, and then slide again from the 4th D to the 6th D. Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to try to give a little bit of a vibrato at the end. Right there. So the second lick after 2, 3, 4. So we're basically ring finger, 2nd fret E, middle finger, 3rd fret on the B, and then we're sliding 2 frets. We end up on the 4 and the 5. And you hit both notes, both strings, and you slide. 2, 3, 4. And you can do a little vibrato there too. That will give it a nice sound.